I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media. Blue Sky Uranium, a leader in uranium discovery in Argentina, is preparing to execute a second phase of process design tests for its Ivana uranium-vanadium deposit in Argentina. The Ivana deposit is the cornerstone of the company's wholly owned Amarillo Grande project in Argentina, a new uranium district controlled by Blue Sky and located in Rio Negro province. The Amarillo Grande project incorporates a series of new uranium-vanadium discoveries made over 12 years along a 145-kilometer trend covered by approximately 261,000 hectares of mineral rights. Independent technical advisor Chuck Edwards will again oversee the test work program and ongoing process design to support future advanced engineering studies. Mr. Edwards specializes in uranium processing for both alkaline and acid leach plants and was involved in the engineering design of all the current uranium facilities in Saskatchewan's Athabasca Basin and has worked on uranium projects on 5 continents. His distinguished career includes technical consultant to the International Atomic Energy Agency, former president of the Canadian Institute of Mining, Metallurgy and Petroleum, and the process engineering advisor at the Saskatchewan Research Council. The metallurgical test work will be completed at the Saskatchewan Research Council in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. SRC is one of Canada's leading providers of applied research, development and demonstration and technology commercialization, including specific expertise in uranium. The upcoming studies will be carried out on a new composite bulk sample consisting of mineralized material from the Ivana deposit. In the surficial type deposits, mineralization coats loosely consolidated pebbles and is amenable to leaching and simple upgrading. Membrane filtration tests will be carried out with loaded leach solution from the alkaline carbonate process, which will yield 3 products: a concentrated loaded leach liquor, a concentrated reagent liquor for reuse in leaching, and a clean fluid for washing uranium and vanadium precipitates. Previous test work by the Saskatchewan Research Council in December 2018 resulted in a recovery of 85% for uranium and 53% for vanadium. Uranium is precipitated as uranium peroxide, also known as yellow cake, which is calcined to uranium oxide. Vanadium is precipitated as ammonium metavanadate, also known as red cake, which is calcined to vanadium pentoxide. Both end products are drummed for shipping to customers. For more details on the process, please refer to the company's latest news release. The data from all of the process design tests will be used to refine the design criteria for the Ivana uranium-vanadium mill and assist with the calculation of the capital and operating cost estimates for the mill. The company is currently conducting a minimum of 4,500 meter drill program at a high-priority Ivana Central and Ivana North targets, located 10 and 20 kilometers north, respectively, of the company's Ivana deposit. The project includes several other target areas over a regional trend at or near surface. The area is flat-lying, semi-arid, and accessible year-round with nearby rail, power, and port access. The company's strategy includes delineating resources at multiple areas and advancing the entire project to pre-feasibility level. Nico Kakos, President and CEO of Blue Sky, has joined us today to discuss the project. Welcome, Nico.
Thank you, Cassandra. Yes, the news release we put out just a couple of days ago is a very exciting news release because it really is the first step towards starting on our pre-feasibility study. It's an engineering study which will last approximately about a year, and it will, at the end of that, it'll bring us to the point where we can actually have a production decision with respect to our uranium-vanadium discovery. Now, stepping back and looking at what we have, what Blue Sky Uranium is really focused on here is advancing Argentina's largest uranium-vanadium district. This district has the potential to rank amongst the largest districts in the world of uranium with some of the lowest operating costs. And we know that because we've completed a preliminary economic study on the project. And we also see the similarities with the districts that are occurring in Kazakhstan, which, by the way, produce up to 60% of the world's uranium today. So with some of the lowest costs, and our preliminary work is pointing in that direction. It's what makes it very exciting. And we're at an early stage now where we've established a deposit of just under 23 million pounds of uranium and 11.5 million pounds of vanadium. And we've launched a 4,500 meter drill program stepping out from that deposit. And we're working towards expanding this and showing this and showcasing the scalability of this project. Very exciting. I think over the next 3 or 4 weeks, we're going to have some initial results. And if the results come back as to meet our expectations, I think we're going to be off to the races in terms of becoming a truly global, world-class mining exploration company with enormous uranium deposits.
The shares are trading at 27.5 cents. Blue Sky Uranium is a member of the Grosso Group, a resource management group that has pioneered exploration in Argentina since 1993. For more information, please visit the company's website, blueskyuranium.com. Contact Corporate Communications at 778-686-0135 or by email at info@blueskyuranium.com. I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media.